You work hard. You haul. Lift. Build. When it's time to play, you play just as hard. You explore. Ride. Get dirty. For all the things you do, you need a truck bed cover that works just as hard as you do. One that can handle adventure and protect the things that help you live your life. There's a reason why TruXedo is the #1 selling roll-up truck bed cover in America. When you need to get into your truck bed, our covers get out of your way. But when you need protection from the worst nature has to offer, we're there, making sure your cargo is covered, dry, and protected. Our low-profile designs improve the overall look of your truck. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. With a full range of roll-up covers, we've got something for everyone, for any job, in any season. With their signature low-profile designs, industrial-strength fabrics, and patented tension control systems, our covers maintain a tight fit and great looks in all seasons and weather conditions. And when you're looking for extra security for your gear, our hard roll-up style cover provides the added strength of a hard-paneled cover, crafted by pressure bonding aluminum slats to UV-resistant leather grain fabric. It's our strongest cover yet. All our covers are proudly designed, tested, and manufactured in the USA. At TruXedo, we build our family of truck bed covers for any purpose, any season, and any price range. Whether it's for work or for adventure, we've got you covered every step of the way, so you can get back to the things that really matter. TruXedo. Cover your truck. Live your life.